In this project, we embarked on an adventure with our friend from NCERT textbooks, Paheli. In an amusement park, we have made interesting observations on how various rides such as seesaw, swing, and roller coaster work using trigonometry, geometry, and basic physics. We have also played fun games with mathematics which have many benefits. Name of the games with benefits. Binary game. Easy conversion of decimal numbers to binary numbers. Save time, easy to play and learn binary numbers without calculation. Magic number. Increase accuracy, increase memory, helps to improve calculation. In Paheli's Dream Park, we envisioned it to be green and clean. To achieve this, we have made a working machine that rewards the user for keeping the environment clean. We have made the machine using simple levers. Our future project will be to make a more sophisticated and automated machine using motors and advanced technologies. In this machine, when the visitor will drop a bottle through an opening, it exits out in the collector box. The bottle hits the effort arm of a lever and pushes it down. Likewise, the load arm of the lever goes up. The load arm hits the effort arm of the token holder door, which actually is lever itself, and pushes the arm up. The load arm of the door moves down, allowing a token to exit and get collected by the user. Then a weight attached to the effort arm pushes it down and closes the door. The machine is useful to us in the following ways. Reduces plastic pollution, encourages people to keep environment clean. This is how we have used mathematics for us, for our ease, for our welfare, for our planet Earth. Mathematics is the basic tool for humankind. It was a sunny day. Paheli was visiting the amusement park in her neighborhood, which she frequently visited. It was a beautiful park with many rides and games. Paheli wondered how those rides, the swings, the slides, the seesaws worked. She went back home and searched the internet, and this is what she observed. Paheli wanted to find out how the swing works. She imagined it to be a pendulum where the seat is the bob. She wanted to find the maximum height it can be raised up and the maximum velocity.
Paheli measured the length of the rope and also the angle it was forming with the horizontal line of the swing. To find out the height the swing was rising, she used trigonometry and used this formula. Sin theta equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Since hypotenuse is 2 meters, we can write perpendicular by 2. Therefore, perpendicular equals to 2 into sine 30 degrees. Since this is 30 degrees. Therefore, P equals to 2 into half, which equals to 1 meter. Therefore, the required value of x is 2 minus 1 meter, which equals to 1 meter. At extreme position, the potential energy is maximum, and at mean position, the kinetic energy is maximum. So, the entire potential energy gets converted into kinetic energy, which is mgh equals to half mv squared, which therefore the maximum velocity v max is root over 2g h, which equals to root over 2 into 10, and here the height is 1 meter, so 1, which equals to root over 20, that is 2 root 5 meters per second.
Next, Paheli wondered how the seesaw works. She observed that it was making two sectors of a circle.
The seesaw works on the principle of moment of force or torque. Torque can be calculated using this formula. Tau or torque equals to m, the mass, g, gravitational acceleration, multiplied by r, which is the radius of the seesaw. So, Paheli thought of a fun seesaw where the seats are movable. Adjusting the seats to equal the torque on both sides of the seesaw would solve this problem. Let's take an example. Let's the first mass be 30 kg, the gravitational constant, and the radius be 2 meters. Plus, the second mass be 20 kg, gravitational acceleration, and the radius be 1 meter, which equals to, on this side let the mass be 40 kg, and we'll find out the radius, let's take x. After solving, we get the value of x as 2 meters. So if this person seeks a 2 meter radius, then the torque will be balanced.
Paheli looked at the roller coaster and she tries to relate graphical function with maths.
Using exponential graph, polynomial graph and trigonometric graph, the path of a roller coaster can be mapped.
Next time, when Paheli visited the park, she took her friends with her. They played some fun and interesting games.
Now let's play a game with binary numbers. By this game, we can convert the decimal numbers from 0 to 15 into binary numbers without any calculation using these cards.
Using these cards, how?
Okay, so let's play this game. Think of a number from 0 to 15.
Okay.
Now I'll show him the first card. Is it there?
No.
Okay, so I'll keep the 0 up if the answer is no. Then I'll show him the second card. Is the number there?
Yes.
So I'll keep the number 1 up. Is the number there?
Yes.
Then I'll again keep the number 1 on the upside. Is the number there?
Yes, it is.
Now, at the back side, I'm getting the conclusion as 14. So, I think that you have thought of the number 14 and the binary number of 14 is 1110.
That's correct.
Let's do some magic with numbers. Okay, so you think of a 4-digit number and I will now see them. Done?
Done.
Now add those numbers.
Okay.
Now subtract the added number with the original number.
Yep.
Now add the maximum 3-digit number and that will be same with the smallest number.
The sum is 8.
And the smallest number is 1.
That's right.
Now you can add any 3 numbers and I will say you the number which you have not said.
Okay. The sum is 6.
It's 3.
Right.
While visiting the park, she noticed that the visitors of the park were carelessly throwing plastic bottles and tin cans here and there. Paheli wondered how the problem could be solved. She asked her school science teacher to help her. Paheli, her science teacher, and her friends got an idea to make a machine that would reward the visitors, in addition to keep the park clean. They made a simple machine with levers, and this is how it works.
Paheli had a wonderful adventure with her friends, her science teacher. They had learned so many things, how different rides use science and maths to make our lives fun, how using simple operations one can turn maths into magic, and how using levers and hinges one can clean the environment and spread awareness.
In reality, it is Varshika Singh
And Shaurya Banerjee,
of class 8 who materialized Paheli's dream.
we owe a lot to our friends,
Our mentor
our school Haryana Vidya Mandir,
and CBSE for providing us such an opportunity and platform to share our ideas.
Thank you.